Okay, good morning, everyone. Pleasure to be here. My name is Francesco Borghi, and I'm the CEO and founder of ShippyPro.com. In ShippyPro, the way of the work that we do is we provide a shipping solution for brands that want to scale globally and they want to bring their experience at a global level. So we help those companies to succeed at a global scale. Today, I'm very happy to be here with Enrico from Rossignol. It's an incredible brand, and I'm going to leave Enrico in a few moments to tell the story of the brand, which is great. So I'm just going to talk for 2 minutes and then leave the mic to the interesting story. Just to guide you through what we do at ShippyPro, we provide this multi-carrier shipping technology to make sure that brands can scale at a global level without the issue of shipping. So we try to solve every pain point that happens whenever the order arrives at checkout. So from checkout to returns, there are many different phases that goes along with the order. We try to simplify with technology every single step of it. Our goal is to automate shipping for brands, delight the final consumers to make sure that they always have the tracking information updated, and then ultimately we optimize the shipping cost for those brands to offer the best experience at the lowest cost. We provide our customers with one platform that already integrates many of the great suppliers and carriers that are out there. So right now we integrate with more than 170 carriers, and the library is always expanding and updating. So whenever a customer requires a new service or a new carrier, we're able to integrate it in no time. And the carrier library is expanding. Right now, has more than 170 carriers already integrated, 1,600 shipping services that brands can really activate in a really plug-and-play way, meaning that if they're shipping with one carrier, but they wouldn't need a different service or a different carrier in a different country, they don't need to integrate at a technical level anymore, so spend any technical time on integrating those services. They just click on a new service or new carrier, and then they can go live. So we're really trying to simplify and optimize the time to market and time to use the carriers and the different services. Right now, we're very, very happy and proud that ShippyPro is used in more than 75 countries worldwide, and we're established strongly our presence in Europe. So we're able to help our customers locally, but also internationally whenever they have a really strong, ambitious goal to expand internationally. So we work with customers that have the desire to expand internationally or already have a strong international presence. Those are some of the brands that we're very happy and proud to collaborate with. We work with brands that vary from different industries, that go from fashion to sport to pharmaceutics. So we're very, very happy and proud to work with these brands where we establish long-term partnership with each one of them. And on the last slide, and then I'm very happy to pass the word to Enrico. This is one of the reports that we conducted last year for our customers. So we interview a lot of final consumers to tell our customers what they were looking for into it. We kind of understood that there's a lot of movement and changes and progress that are happening from checkout with the delivery choice that our final customers want, to the delivery with the different players and choices that the final consumers expect when they buy online, up to the returns. So there's a strong shift and change in consumer behavior. Maybe you have heard it during these 2 days. A lot of things are happening and a lot of things are changing. And we always try to get the voice of the final customers to build the right solution for the companies and to make sure that the company is always updated when it comes to deliver a great experience to their consumers. And yes, I'm very happy to pass the microphone to Enrico. So Enrico, good to go. Thanks.
Thanks, Francesco. Hi, everyone. Just to quickly present myself, my name is Enrico, and I work as digital product owner at Rossignol. In this role, I oversee the development and continuous improvement of our e-commerce website, ensuring it aligns with the company's goals and delivers and optimal user experience. I guess many of you already know Rossignol, a brand who has become synonym with excellence in mountain sports. Today, the company is recognized as the iconic mountain sports brand and aims to equip and inspire all those who seek to experience the mountains in all their forms. Across alpine skiing, Nordic skiing, snowboarding, biking, trekking, and more recently also trail running, the brand offers a comprehensive range of products in order to allow all customers to find the best solution for their needs. But Rossignol is more than this. The group also includes other brands such as Dynastar, Lange, Look, Karma, and Resport. Together, all these brands contribute to form a powerful ecosystem within the mountain lifestyle. In fiscal year 2024, the group recorded 372 million euros in sales, reflecting the enduring appeal of the alpine experience, as well as the trust placed in us by a global community of people who love to spend their time outdoors. The company is driven by 5 core values that guide our actions, shape our culture, and define how we work together and with the world around us. We are pioneering, meaning we challenge the status quo and we try to go beyond our boundaries to achieve meaningful results. We play to win, we operate with precision, integrity, and honor our commitments. We always try to achieve the highest standards in everything we do. We have humility, and we are aware that our success is never guaranteed. We embrace change, learn from our mistakes, and try to continuously evolve. Humility is what keeps us grounded and open to grow. We are stronger together. We truly believe in the power of collaboration and inclusivity, fostering an environment where everyone can flourish. And last but not least, we respect our word. Aware of the urgent challenges posed by the climate change, we are aware that we have to work for the well-being of our communities and our environment, and we are committed to truly act responsibly. These values are what guide our journey and inspire our actions. At Rossignol, we are also proud of the technical level of our products, whether it's a high-performance ski or boot or an advanced trail running shoe. Each product, each item is the result of years of innovation and expertise. This level of complexity requires more than just a transactional approach to sales. In fact, in our physical stores, customers can benefit from the guidance of our colleagues, who can see the nuances of each product and recommend the best solution based on each customer needs, from beginners to experts. Our mission is try to replicate the same premium expert level experience also in the digital space. This means creating a platform where the human value is embedded inside the digital customer journey through intelligent product guidance, personalized recommendations, and continuous customer support. In this way, we try to deliver the same value that our customers would expect in our physical stores. In addition, as we work toward becoming an all-year sports mountain brand, we recognize the importance of delivering a consistent experience across all our products, no matter the season. This means not only excelling in our core winter sports equipment, but also strengthening our presence in the soft goods industry. This overview represents some key metrics highlighting our collaboration with ShippyPro. Through this partnership, we were able to successfully automatize the generation of return labels, which was an important milestone in improving our post-purchase process. Our products reach now more than 30 countries across Europe, North America, and Asia. And among these, ShippyPro manages the return label generation for our 6 key markets, which are France, Italy, Germany, Austria, United States, and Canada. Over the past year, through ShippyPro platform, we generated around 12,000 return labels. Our primary sales channels are represented by our 8 proprietary shops, as well as our 2 e-commerce websites, Rossignol and Dynastar Lange. In addition, we've expanded our digital footprint by partnering with 3 major marketplaces, Zalando, Amazon, and VP, in order to further increase the accessibility of our products. In order to support this growing ecosystem, we successfully integrated 3 major carriers in ShippyPro. And in the next future, we are excited to further enhance our digital journey by adding ShippyPro PUDO functionality at checkout. In this way, customers will be able to select their preferred pickup point during the checkout flow. Looking at our digital growth and strategic expansion across digital channels, we can see that in the past few years we had a rapid and exponential growth. It is important to mention that our digital D2C, direct-to-customer division, was launched a few years ago, so we're quite new in this field. And in this context, ShippyPro allowed us to rapidly align with market trends and adopt industry best practices. Looking at the timeline, 2023 was a very important year for us, since in July we completed the replatforming of our website to Salesforce Commerce Cloud. This move, combined with the services provided by ShippyPro, allowed us to automate the generation of return labels. As a matter of fact, until that moment, return labels were manually generated by our customer service team. In 2024, we continued to build on this momentum, and in April we launched the transactional website of Dynastar Lange, other 2 brands of the Rossignol group. For both websites, Rossignol and Dynastar Lange, the pickup return option was added so that customers could book their pickup directly from the website or ask our customer service to do it on their behalf. This functionality significantly improved the flexibility of our solution, allowing our customers to select more options during the return flow. By May 2025, we took another step forward by launching our products on VP, further diversifying our products accessibility. And as I said before, in the upcoming months, we aim to add the carrier pickup points in the checkout flow with the aim to drive higher conversion rates. Looking ahead in 2026, we aim to implement a full omnichannel strategy in order to manage both shipments and returns directly from our stores, creating a unified and seamless experience across all our touchpoints. So to conclude, for us, ShippyPro has proven to be a fast, scalable solution for optimizing global delivery operations across digital channels. One of the key advantages provided by ShippyPro was the possibility to scale the solution across multiple channels. Whether it's our e-commerce platform or marketplace, it was possible to aim a consistent integration model in order to reduce complexity and increase operational efficiency. Basically, we could use the same integration model we had for the e-commerce also for the marketplace. Integrating new carriers has been remarkably simple, since it was possible just by adding our carrier credentials inside the ShippyPro portal. This allowed us to remove the need for custom developments, reducing our time to market. All these advantages reflected also in tangible results, since we've seen a reduction in customer care costs and requests, freeing up our agents to focus on higher value activities such as customer engagement and retention. And finally, our customer experience significantly improved since we were able to quickly adopt market best practices. On the right-hand side, you can see the main results we achieved through ShippyPro. Thanks to the automation provided by the tool, we've seen a 15% decrease in requests to customer care. And in addition, and most importantly, we reduced by 50% the costs of integrating new carriers, avoiding in this way custom developments, reducing our time to market and budget requirements. So that's it. Thanks for listening. And if you have any question, of course, I will be available to answer. I'll pass it back now to Francesco to continue. Thank you.
Thanks, Enrico. Thanks a lot. Extremely interesting and a lot of innovation, a lot of plans for the future. I would like to add, since we are here in the innovation stage, a little bit of innovation side on the ShippyPro side, what we're up to and the areas that we're exploring for the future. So what is the next big challenge for us and for our customers, of course. We're trying to drive our customers and going together, accompanying in this new shipping intelligence area. And we're doing with a solution that we call Optimizer. And the Optimizer solution starts from a problem that our customers passed to us and reported, that is a problem on visibility and control on data and performances. So we started working backwards on the problems that our customers passed to us. So limited visibility on the performance and cost that the carriers were actually asking to pay for our customers. And then we had inefficiency in shipments that they could not control. Maybe they were on hold, maybe they're pending. And a lot of overload for the customer care team when it comes to keeping the information under control. But also we found some really important opportunities in the way that the performance could be improved for every single shipment around the world. So the tool that we've built and launched after 2 years of research and development is called Optimizer, and it's the shipping intelligence that every company can benefit from by using ShippyPro. So what Optimizer provides, it's extremely user-friendly interface that allows brands and companies to make extremely quick and precise decisions. So you're going to see in a few moments how it looks like. So we started from a really user-friendly interface because we wanted to simplify all this world of data, which is really hard sometimes to monitor and crunch. We wanted to give granular insights on every single shipment from a country level to a single zip code. Our customers now able to control how their orders are delivered at a single zip code, single city, or at a country level if they want to. No more than that. We also we knew that there's a lot of data going on every single month, every single quarter, every single year when it comes to shipping. So we wanted to provide technology that was extremely fast and could crunch large scale data. So a lot of data in just no time. And so we worked a lot on optimizing the technology behind it. And finally, we provide our customers with an intuitive solution. So from cause to solution in an instant, meaning that our customers can understand what the problems are, like on a very graphic and visual way, and then deep down and provide granular insights and analysis to kind of sort the problems that they have. But how does it work? So how does cost and performance optimization happen when it comes to shipping? So this is the solution that we've built, the Optimizer platform that is built on ShippyPro and is able to actually analyze the data of any shipping flow, whether the shipments are managed on ShippyPro or outside ShippyPro. And the Optimizer platform provides this view to the customer that is able to tell the customer how many shipments is processed, what is the average shipping cost, what is the transit time and first delivery attempt, and different metrics such as shipments on time, shipments that are late, shipments that had exception. And with just one click, customers can filter by carrier, they can filter by origin, they can filter by different warehouses if they ship from different warehouses, or they can filter by destination, and they have this data update in no time. So they can understand exactly where the problems are. If the transit time, for example, in Italy is longer because the carriers are taking more to deliver your products, you can understand exactly why, and you can also have different scenarios, options, and solutions to sort it out. So we wanted to provide this extremely simple tool that crunch a lot of difficult data on the background. And this is, for example, one of the dashboard that are inside Optimizer that is called geo-distribution. And in the geo-distribution, you're going to be able to see all the shipments divided by, again, country, city, or zip code, and understand exactly where the delays are, what are the most expensive shipments, and just very visually, you're going to see it, click on the shipments and understand the root cause of the problems to make sure that proactively those problems are solved in the future. And trust me when I say that this kind of work is extremely complex to do for brands. Maybe you know it, maybe you're aware, but having this data in a very simple visualization requires a lot of work on the background to make sure that the data is standardized and it's very simple to visualize. And this is, for example, another dashboard that we provide where brands can see the delivery performance per carrier or the average shipping cost per carrier. And again, they can go very granular. They can filter by city, they can filter by service, they can filter by combination of the two, so country plus carriers, in order to make sure to understand where the problems are, fix it, and offer a better experience to the consumers. This is the final one of the last dashboard that we released that exactly tells the exceptions that actually happen during the the shipping flow, and in the exception part, customers can understand the reason why the shipments were in exception at a very granular level again. So they can see how many shipments had problems with transit disruption and why. So they were delayed, they had problems with the address, maybe they had problems for the strike, etc., etc. And this again, per country, per carrier. So you can get an idea on every country what is going on, and that's what we wanted to provide. We're still working a lot on this tool because we get a lot of feedback and we're trying to integrate every feedback. But the idea is to give you a tool that can help you optimize in your shipping process by keeping the costs low. And those are the results that some of the results our customers are getting by using the tool. The tool has been live now for 6 months after, again, 2 years of research and development. The first results are first, the most important, 30% shipping spend reduction by optimizing and looking at every single lane, every single cost in every single country. Less 35% shipments in exception, meaning that by analyzing, controlling proactively all the shipments that go in exception, our customers are able to understand the root causes of it. And of course, a 10 plus on 10 per the reactiveness on improving the shipping strategy by having all this data under control. And this is the end of the presentation and the innovation part for us. We're really into the part of shipping data, so we're working a lot on this part, and we're really happy to get the feedback of our customer, build it for that, and empower the brands that we're working on, such as Rossignol, that we're very proud to work with solutions that can help them scale and grow globally and offer the best customer experience to the customers. For the moment, the presentation is finished. I don't know if you have any question, and I would be extremely happy if you have any, because if you have any question, I would need to throw this to ask questions, so I would be super happy to throw this. So if you have any single question, I'll be very happy to answer. Otherwise, you can scan the QR code here if you don't want to maybe ask it with the incredible catchbots. You can enter here, and then I will read it from the iPad, and I'll answer here live. Thank you so much for the attention from me, for ShippyPro, and from Enrico. And I'll see you guys around. If you want to stop by, we're at the booth D70 at ShippyPro booth, so I'll be happy to answer questions and curiosity there. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank you.